In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write clear documentation in Confluence. Whether you're capturing a quick how-to or building a full guide, these steps will help you create pages that your teammates can find, read, and use with confidence. Start by signing into Confluence, heading to the space where your content belongs, and selecting Create. Choosing the right home for the page keeps it organized with related work and makes it easier for others to discover later. Next, decide if you want a blank page or to jumpstart your work with the documentation template. Templates are great because they come preloaded with sensible headings, sample tables, and structure you can adapt, so you spend less time formatting and more time writing. Before you type anything else, give the page a clear, specific title. Instead of something vague like notes, use a descriptive phrase such as API Integration Guide. A strong title improves search results and sets expectations for readers. Now outline your content with clean sections. Begin with an overview or purpose that explains what the document covers and who it's for. Follow with steps or instructions written in a logical order. Include examples or screenshots to show exactly what success looks like. Wrap up with notes or tips for important reminders, caveats, or common pitfalls. If you plan before you write, the page stays focused and scannable. Use formatting to guide the eye, not to decorate. Apply headings to show hierarchy, keep paragraphs short, and rely on bullet points and tables to break complex information into chunks. Add macros when useful, code block for commands or snippets, table of contents for longer documents, and panels to draw attention to warnings, cautions, or best practices. Quick note: you'll find a link to Confluence at the top of the description, so you can follow along or try this workflow as you watch. When your draft feels complete, invite teammates to review it. Ask them to comment where anything is ambiguous or missing. Comments keep feedback visible and separate from the main text, so your history stays clean while you iterate. Finally, publish your page and keep it fresh. Revisit it when features change, steps evolve, or screenshots become outdated. A short update now prevents confusion later. Remember, concise, consistent, and easy to scan beats long walls of text every time. Use headings and bullets to surface the essentials, and your readers will thank you. Thanks for watching.